Why do 63% of people say they love their homemade projects even if they're a little wonky? The answer lies in a quirky brain bug called the IKEA Effect. Let's break it down. The IKEA Effect is a strange trick your brain plays on you. When you put effort into building something like a bookshelf, a cake, or even a business plan, you start to value it way more than you would if it just showed up finished. Psychologists found that people will pay more for things they've assembled themselves even if the end result is less than perfect. Why? Because effort creates ownership. That wobbly coffee table you spent an afternoon cursing at? Suddenly it's not just furniture, it's your masterpiece. Companies love to use this bias. From make-your-own pizza joints to customizable sneakers, brands know we're more likely to buy and brag about things we've had a hand in creating. It's effort justification at work. The more sweat and struggle we put in, the more we convince ourselves it was worth it. But this bias doesn't stop at stuff. We get attached to our own ideas, projects, even relationships, sometimes holding on just because we've invested so much. So next time you find yourself irrationally attached to your DIY project, remember, your brain loves a good story of effort and ownership. The IKEA Effect. Turning struggle into pride, one self-assembled shelf at a time.